everyone, today you meet me Pliao again. Today I'm gonna show you for the studio room at Galare Thong Tower. For the room, it's for 40.74 square meter. The room is very nice. The located is on Chang Klan Road. It's not far from the old town, just 2 kilometers from here to Chiang Mai Gate and 3 kilometers from here to Nai Bazaar, 5 kilometers from here to the airport. For this building is very nice. The first floor is a lobby here. They have a coffee shop and for the restaurant here as well. Or you want to look at the room? Let's go inside, car. Let's come inside for this room. For this room is really colorful room. And for over there, here is the kitchen room. For this area is the L shape for the kitchen. They have the sink and the built-in the shelf too. You can put everything inside it. All this, the glass, everything here. And here, for here they have a microwave and the hood here. The fridge here. And they have a mini bar as well. When you cook this, you can serve here or you want to eat here. And let's see for the part of the shower. For this room, have a shower room and a big mirror here. Let's see inside the bedroom, sorry. And let's say for this side, for here they have some. You can keep something here for sure, like a flower or jar or something here. And this as well, they have a mirror here as well. And for go inside this room, they have the big bed for you and the big shelf and the closet. You can put your clothes here, anything you want. Let's see for over there, they have a table here. You can leave a television here and keep something for show, for anything here. And for here, you can live in here with the sofa. It look like Thai style. And they have air conditioning for you too. So let's see for here. They have a balcony and have a mosquito stand. It's really nice for you. Okay, I will talk with this room again. For this room size, it's 40.87 square meter. And for this room, have a mini bar for you. For the facility, this building have an CCTV. At the lobby, they have a coffee shop and restaurant for you. The located is not far from the old town, just 2 kilometers from here to Chiang Mai Gate, 3 kilometers from here to the Nai Bazaar, 5 kilometers to the airport. If you interested this room, please contact this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for this video, please. Bye bye.